Hey girlfriends, in today's video I will be showing you how I use my DIY Rose Infused Oil for my natural hair. If you're interested in seeing how I made it, I will link the original video in the description box below and also leave a card up above. So I am just turning the stove on and boiling my water, and I'm going to get my oil out of the cabinet where I left it for the past 6 or so weeks since I made it. I'm smelling it for the first time and it smells so good once the roses have fully infused into the oil. Now I'm using an old Do-Grow oil bottle, a funnel, and a strainer to pour the oil into the bottle. And obviously the strainer is just to catch the rose petals so that they don't go in the bottle and potentially stop the oil from coming out of the nozzle. And I made quite a bit of the oil. It fills up almost to the top of the bottle. And now I'm going to put it on the stove and let it sit in boiling water for a couple minutes. Set this in here. So this is what the oil looks like now, or the roses look like now. They're still like dried, but they feel so good. So they're dried up, but obviously have the oil on it, and my fingers are like really oily now. And it smells oh so good. So I'm excited to use this. I just turned the stove off and it's pretty warm. So I'm gonna let it cool down a little bit. I'll test it on my hand. Oh, no, that's hot. I like to use a towel going around my neck because I know these hot oil treatments can be a little messy, and especially with me because I'm already a clumsy person. I'm just going to check the oil one more time. And that's pretty hot. I think the best way to test the oil for heat is to put it on the back of your hand, because the back of your hand is less sensitive than the palm of your hand, like the inside of your hand, which is, I feel, more sensitive to heat. So I always test on the back of my hand. Now I am going to part my hair into little sections. I will use my DIY rose water to help with the detangling. And again, if you want to see that video, the link is in the description box below. It shows how I made the rose infused oil as well as the rose water that I'm currently using. Once I've detangled my hair, I'll use the rose infused oil to first put in the parts of my hair. And then once I do a good massage, I'll put the oil down the length of my hair, and also making sure I focus on the very ends of my hair since it is the oldest and it does need the most attention. When I'm done with each section, I will twist it up and then just move on to the next section. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. And when I'm finished, I have a full head of twist, and I will put my shower cap on and sit under the dryer for maybe 20 or so minutes since the oil is no longer hot. So it took a little while, so I'm going to sit under the dryer for a little bit just to make it hot again. It's no longer hot. Obviously, it's been in my hair. I don't know how long it's been, maybe like 30 minutes. When I was initially applying it, it was hot, but now it cooled down. So I'm just going to sit under the dryer for a little bit, and I'll be back. And as always, I want to show you how it looks when I'm rinsing it out in the shower. So I've seen a lot of people do it many different ways. I've seen some people do it before shampooing. I've seen some people do it after shampooing and before deep conditioning. And I've seen some people do it after deep conditioning. And it all depends on you and your hair. I like to do it as a pre-poo treatment because The oils that I use, it protects the strands before shampooing. And we know that shampooing can sometimes strip our hair of the natural oils. So putting these oils back in the hair right before I shampoo, I think it helps with keeping my hair moisturized as I am shampooing. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video. Also leave me a comment down below letting me know how you do your hot oil treatments or if you do them. And also don't forget to subscribe and click the bell to be notified whenever I post. See you guys in my next video. Bye.